Hi, today is our Class 3 of Amazon course. Let's get started. Today we will discuss about model of business on Amazon versus FBM. When selling on Amazon, sellers can choose between two primary fulfillment models, fulfilled by Amazon, FBA, and fulfilled by merchant, FBM. Each model has its own set of advantages, costs, and operational requirements. Here's a detailed comparison. Fulfilled by Amazon, FBA. Overview. With FBA, sellers store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon takes care of storage, packaging, shipping, customer service, and returns. Key features. Number 1. Storage and handling. Products are stored in Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon handles picking, packing, and shipping. Number 2. Customer service and returns. Amazon provides customer service and handles returns on behalf of the seller. Number 3. Shipping benefits. Prime and free Super Saver shipping eligibility, enhancing visibility and appeal to Prime members. Number 4. Fees. Fulfillment fees based on the size and weight of items. Storage fees, including monthly and long-term storage fees. Number 5. Inventory management. Sellers need to ship inventory to Amazon's warehouses in advance. Advantages. Number 1. Prime eligibility. Products are eligible for Amazon Prime, attracting more buyers. Number 2. Customer trust. Customers tend to trust products fulfilled by Amazon. Number 3. Operational efficiency. Amazon handles logistics, freeing up time for sellers to focus on other business aspects. Number 4. Scalability. Easier to scale operations as Amazon manages fulfillment. Disadvantages. Number 1. Costs. FBA fees can be significant, particularly for large or slow-moving items. Number 2. Storage fees. Long-term storage fees can add up if inventory doesn't move quickly. Number 3. Less control. Sellers have less control over inventory management and shipping processes. Fulfilled by merchant, FBM. Overview. With FBM, sellers manage storage, packaging, shipping, customer service, and returns independently or through third-party logistics, 3PL, providers. Key features. Number 1. Storage and handling. Sellers store and manage their own inventory, or use third-party warehouses. Number 2. Customer service and returns. Sellers are responsible for customer service and handling returns. Number 3. Shipping. Sellers manage their own shipping processes. Number 4. Fees. No FBA fulfillment or storage fees, but sellers incur their own shipping and warehousing costs. Number 5. Inventory management. Sellers have full control over their inventory and fulfillment processes. Advantages. Number 1. Cost control. Potentially lower costs, especially for larger items or slower moving inventory. Number 2. Flexibility. Full control over inventory management, shipping, and customer service. Number 3. Customization. Ability to customize packaging and delivery methods. Disadvantages. Number 1. Operational burden. More responsibilities related to storage, shipping, and customer service. Number 2. Limited visibility. FBM products may not be eligible for Amazon Prime, potentially reducing visibility and attractiveness to Prime members. Number 3. Customer trust. Products may not carry the same level of trust as those fulfilled by Amazon. Choosing between FBA and FBM. Consider FBA if. Number 1. Scalability. You plan to scale quickly and want to leverage Amazon's logistics network. Number 2. Prime access. You want your products to be Prime eligible. Number 3. Efficiency. You prefer Amazon handling logistics and customer service. Consider FBM if. Number 1. Cost management. You have higher margin items or products that are costly to store long term. Number 2. Control. You want full control over the fulfillment process. Number 3. Customization. You need to offer customized packaging or shipping options. Hybrid approach. Many sellers use a hybrid approach, utilizing both FBA and FBM based on the product type, seasonality, and business strategy. For example, they might use FBA for fast-moving items and FBM for slower-moving or bulky items. Conclusion. The choice between FBA and FBM depends on various factors, including the nature of the products, business scale, cost considerations, and strategic goals. Both models offer distinct advantages and challenges, and selecting the right approach can significantly impact a seller's success on Amazon.